Right, into me more kwaba edoba the party TV na print de me no ka say de Odiahenkan ene vim lady o matutu bia man ne Captain Smart say am so much say Captain Smart say o kasa do lose stock ene so every infa if you as when your balls be access see no adan wa fa bibi wo form dia na sa no person mo kire to de yenko Odiahenkan video ni bra ye ba na de aka be de ato aso ama wate.
We live in a nation now. Some of the media guys think they are above the law. What is this, Captain Smart? You name the award. What me invade will be privacy. Obiawari musem no better radio so. Nan was all in your Dixie. Hence, who can find all? And now I can't do a time. Who is he? Why any Captain Smart or a young coupon? One only power dika why radio Juma our Ghana ha. One only the first morning show host Anna. Masa give us a break. Timi catch a mebrusa montonko or bossy go face. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Radiasi Ghana ha. Enipa na ewu ti se sabi previous a nwan. Enipa na ewu ti se nwan. Into radio ni TV mo kwatra so a munya anything positive to discuss. Dan se wo be se mebru kutu paso mo kodi sense wuwe. Enipa nkwasa be eyagina mo a. Enipa wo ye due ni abono to sa. Na who kwasam ena me se wusua nyans wujo wo se nu nyansa bebe ba da ne jimfo ya so sonkrofo bi so Ghana ha yan komasem ena ma no aya enfo asem nkofo no so. This nation does not belong to any single radio presenter or TV presenter. No single radio presenter or TV presenter owns Ghana. No one. Mo amu ni djuma bi din na mo jeje Santa Kra wogem no. Me Odiahenkan ko me, but I don't have time for that. But say you better now can no atum na nipa bia no mu asem ebe ma nipa nso awu a na ye nyina ti radio so ne kan no tuma ye hypocrite ye nya atwom. Captain Smart say hu a wadi ahya mabunu kutupa no makwa wi say ye tena Ghana ha kan no tuma ye nya atwomfo. No one should fear Captain Smart. When you be ancho emojai won mu na bia no obi am wo Ghana ha. Ni people go for fun penny for some like it come once and can party boom. Just so Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Are we building a nation or we are building people who can just shout on top of their voices and encourage the youth? When put encouragement, inciting the youth. Every say a will bear, we are so what did that say radio presenter be? I could tell radio so TV so catch him when say Monko go face or bossy. In tell my way running. Se bibi mpona empenfo no ho munya adan ne mfam na kwan so me nipa nkwa akofhie just like that. Sir, arise Ghana youth for your country ni sabe empenfo mo twa man to nkwase akwan so say sabe o man fan anhye mabru kutupa e won kwase akwan so say sabe mama yan sori asoman na ye mu bi same me da bia me ka radio same tena na me jimia emra no mama chime. So Odiahenkan betena Peace FM ha despite adaroma yete aye midin kwase yasem a moncheme na me mo mra no so sana Captain Smart ya monche no mo mra no so yes say tonso metabon do adana ye nyina ya di police phone kasa soldier phone kasa and the radio presenters are dig Ghana bosso media for us ye na ye 10 goals ye ka obi anka bi most of us and some kan yomu ni nyina so. Most of them are allegation. How many kwa? Really good try him. Now will be a whole ya. Uncle say what that didn't have when he can some a many padders and in woo. Marty some about tell they so any media person. I can want them say that. I've never done this before. Because will be a mayor. You were Juma mayor despite a member Juma mayor. Privately, no 1 or 2 I miss me dear I miss me nice water at all and Minister that you know. But you me I've never given attention to such comment. Me nyebi kwada. But you bet na one nipa nu wansem. Ase mabunu kutupa. Me nipa wu Ghana ha dia. We will not keep quiet. We will not keep quiet. We radio present.
It's Odiahenkan person chere say wonu na adwuma ho ye. Se mpo na no fuma ana obumra so a emra wo ho kwan say ye chi no. Na dey na ye hwe captain wo bubom kikeme inciting tokwa inciting attacks. What show you to ne say monko na anglo gold for monko na monko attack yo mo. Die ntia na vim lady sin sansem na captain ye ne ne e koso na ye nkwase ya la ye nkwase asem ye nkwane nkwo no so video ni bra ya ba ne ato aso
angel of free fox na ba fox what happened? We were all around cheering him on. Fire for we were clapping for him to the extent that other radio station manager to make us say yes, captain, fire captain. Oh, some come say back too gentle on fire to say captain. Young Kasa, we have lost our way. And that's why I'm apologizing to National Media Commission, George Saponini. We were part of the law to regulate the industry. And I say there be Media Commission for is an affront to free expression. But free expression is so unlimited. Free speech is just a free speech has guidelines, regulations, has limits. You can't be limited free speech where media by person again. First Amendment free speech by and yet free bond to sao. And yet blanket check. It is heavily regulated. Ghana falling number 2 categories, the citizens of Ghana. Because we have reduced Ghana nyansasem. We have made truth commercial. It is no credit asam. No credit asam. It is what over beka asam already draw. Ube tientium una already no credit. What over twisted facts. What when you okay. And we the people na you consuming media no, we clap for people like that. We have enabled it. If you're not much no media houses even to the extent of say fire to say there is no regard for no credit. And the people of Ghana who to me a program no be about 10 views to pay 100 views to pay. Now determination of truth, determination of quality is measured by the number of views. And to call FMO, City FMO, Peace FMO, OK FMO, get views. I just have to use that word for emphasis. And someone I am tro Ghana, Takra Jim, education, beba, educate beba, no better. You want 1,100 and something views. And not Ghana for your pet. We so the media. Every society, media never the society in which it's kata to say no kata. Okay, me say what they call YouTube na call any media house, Facebook. Obi abeka as assembly 3 views, 10 views, 1,000. You abeka 7 kwa no 1 million views. This is where we have reduced our society. Into nya captain ye be blame as a society. Here reset of the brain, reset of our taste. Media and one owning politicians are now owning TV stations and radio stations. Sitting up a mammy which is said Richard Cotton owning a human GBC or Yabai. And some of the normally or more private one by despite media, a private people. And maybe politicians are owning media house into their politician and our. We know media houses that are owned by politicians. Politician, even presenter cannot express a different opinion from owner. And it's all any MPP near was all radio station in also a cassette to me MPP for. So all any NDC near I was so be a radio station also cassette to NDC. But to say that you will chase people out of town. Hey. And this is where we have come to. And comfort that we win the elections and comfort that to Moko Airport. And yes, we are good. I came here to sit here to say the law does not lie in your hands. Because we have to say lawlessness. No, we cannot encourage lawlessness. 15 people say if it is confirmed, because according to a small scale mining association for an letter, I'm saying 9 people are dead. But Obuasi fancy 15 people. People you go for Papa no go for Branham. Where they come back no moment didi, they are dead. And buying that year reset. Because when a buying crop for start to some more young crop, I perceive a buying crop for because it can be that other people have also joined or we didn't go them. But it perceive that but the government must have the balls to stop the people. A free NECO, we must all sign a treaty. We must all see a vow. Near catcher who said free Enerico. We will make sure that party be open we need power. Their supporters will not do that. And the supporters try to do it. I was a party for hierarchy immediately at once. Must stop them. They must stop them. Free SHS near my Soko de Chito SHS Soko de na Obia could more reacting tomatoes. Yeah, the man Colano, free SHS and Colane Diani or react the cop. Now, you are collapsing the nation because the same government that you are claiming you are for no government now better for no one send their tomato to replace what you have stolen. Emo na koforia. Nkofo have gone to Songo. Salt. We are pumping machines from one of their salt. Are we sick? Which advanced democracy? You will find said you Nkofo I don't know what form they will come and insult you. No cry answer. Truth is no longer truth. Obi can cry and gather one page and dinner time now shutting it down. Yeah, no, ye your back bobo. You bet the do atama, they was say, and do atem. This is how low we have sunk as a nation. And we have, for 9 people dead. Who shared the way they were killed? Oh, send and now me back from the video nature. No, say if you're close to me to be right. I mean, we are journalism. It's sad. Ya bo bit woman and I'm chair. I could see the 360 degrees then. Back when you're born, you show that you're born a cheek in a pier. I had 2 AK-47 the bower, baby, a bullet in the pier, a 2 of the hope. I'll survive it. But I say, you couldn't need practice and cook up. And you can't blame the military. They are trained to fire. They were stationed on the property to guard life and property. Were mining company. They have not gone to anybody's concession. Baby. A security zone, a mining concession. So for the baby now. So if anybody has trespassed, it is you, the people. Musena, come there. Are you serious? Are you serious? Say, mama come there, me doing me so me yes, I be command you. And you are only one concession or protect it. Law on say, we have our right to protect life and property with reasonable force. Or to the baby on account. And I will feel fear now, so. Mona more ya the bad wire crack about more jump it. See, ya memma, ya bet Shramonia say, oh, you bear my chase soldier. And you're training to kill. Then the whole presenter say, we don't have me chasing AGA. Who chasing you to where?
And to be lady and you boo for honor no. Or empire your can be more. Siciano, so Kenyans are some other corner, not 2 views. Oh, I'm paminim. Opa my met na ha say to say trending news me ba me say one lie to lie obeba obetina enkofo ye fam na obi ma fancy fam o say ne de ya de da ho no ya de da ho no pa ma me met na bia sama ba na me kan bokko da bia mpe ne bokko da bia mpe ne bokko bokko ne de mpe o mo petwa setem ne aboa eni ntokwase be he no di eni obeji so ka say ye ubu odubu ohye he o mo pe bibisa. And so Miss Kabaga but nas no fifi ne nias no keka nsemu no na nkofo twa da pa fam omu hie no ne chen sa obeba na ohun oboye modest na wakeka wonsa ho mpe no enti na tsa vim lady ne Odiahenkan ano matutu bia ma captains but captain captain wa fa bibi wo fam na edi Ghana for so ka kire omo why Odiahenkan so ne vim lady say wa fa bibi na edi wo fam a kachiro mo na ufa bibi di wo fam so a netie nko na wo ye fi na ohum enti bia o mo se kasa na wo kasa na bia bibi na wo fa di wo fam nti afa uyem captain afa uyem ana afa uyem aka kire ye ne ensaw na sa wo kasa dodo you need to say obi ani ati obi ani ebie sa ya nkoko ntoko ye nkodi nsemu no ya to aba ne captain we hu ana enkrofo de die enkrofo ani hayo San tokwa hunu ye grade from 0 to 100. I met me say afi we den tokwa sem no krampo wo form. What tokwa hunu bi esa. Isi obi abeni abri o, obi abako school. Enya isi se obeni obi ba na osuma obeni obi ba na oye nkuru ntunjumo o. Enti captain ya age anglo gold honum no wo ko honum. na wa nkasa wo to see agro road amana nim na wa attack kro na besa okoso no wa captain wo no ma no nana no munko to nsim aya ye adwuma feed nkrofo ma nko na ye insight munko ko ntokwa hwan na yakwa sa ntokwa mi sie na mi firi obo asa ase ko ntokwa me di junk food krampo adakrampo ajojobe ho wo de wo si onua ho na wo bie wa no full stock na wo kasa na matoto bia ma ne ho ntine chese busu for tap send the so masse na me de concern 360 we amake ne ka ne se ne soldiers for the moment ase omo papa sa na tie buy their fruit ntine chese busu for tap send the so masse na me de concern 360 and ba be so mo di na ya miss cover girl so frame cover girl ameje so makra
Mr. Mankwa me wo fase wo se ni ska ba ne de awie ni project no eso de bia me wo fase ka ma ne wo problem
enemre mu na monte tap send nka
no so ne de
tap send dey easy fast and secured way ubetimi asend sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa awo be ne say
kire ne se won ko app store na play store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma de pet TV nshim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa akofre na ka akire
tabi minyanwie esanse tap send e the good news aba tap send the gene ne customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no be ne say
so your customer wo UK sisi a ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sem a opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet no tie
eni set say yusu momo Ghana hayru
sa pepepe se si tap send atre na shem kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na papa no